can probably tell, it is dark out. It is the very first thing in the morning. Today is Operation Good Cheer. And if you're not familiar with Operation Good Cheer, it is a giant charity event which is organized by the Child Family Services of Michigan. The whole point of this thing is to try and ensure that all the foster kids within the state of Michigan get all their Christmas dreams fulfilled. So how this thing works is the Child Family Services of Michigan asks foster kids to, write out their Christmas wish lists, and then people go ahead and donate the various presents already wrapped, and they all wind up in a giant hangar at the airport near Pontiac and Waterford called Oakland County International Airport. And on this day, today, they asked for pilots to volunteer their time and their airplanes to fly these gifts from Oakland County International Airport out to their destination. So that is this morning. It is a giant event. It gets very crazy. I believe the last year, it didn't happen last year because of COVID, but the last year they did Operation Good Cheer. There were 250 airplanes associated with it. So as I said, it does get a little crazy. But anyway, on my way to the airport, we gotta pull the plane out and try and make our arrival time up there. It gets so busy, they assign arrival slots. So on my way, I'm gonna try and make that happen and see you in the air.
21-6 Delta Romeo, will run tower on course to Northwest Brood, runway 23 Golf, clear for takeoff, wind 220 at 7.
Clear for takeoff 23 on course Northwest, moving 16 Delta Romeo. Alright, power's full. Engine is good, airspeed's alive. We are at 64 and rotate. Positive rate. You're up. 90 miles an hour, flaps up. Fuel pump off. Wow, this is crazy. Last time I came in here, the frequency was so busy, and it's usually so busy that you can't get a word in edgewise. It is absolute insanity. But today they give these
wind 260 at 9er.
They give these slots for landing, so not all aircraft land at the same time. And my slot was 7:40, which is by far the earliest. Usually my slot's like 9 or something. So I'm hoping that I can get in here. Well, it seems like it. I mean, there's hardly anyone coming in right now, so I should be able to get in here pretty quickly and easily. Supposed to be kind of a rough day for flying, by the way. I think, well, there's AirMet Tango for moderate turbulence below 10,000 feet for most of the morning, so it may get a little bit rough today. We'll see how it goes.
Cardinal 177, if you guys are still on me, actually just taxi Charlie 4 and to the Operation Good Cheer ramp. Ramp control frequency 126.975. 126.975.
Pontiac Tower, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo, 10 Southwest 2000, full stop Quebec.
Mooney 16 Delta Romeo, Pontiac Tower, report 2 miles southwest and left downwind for runway 27 left.
Alright, 2 southwest, left downwind 27 left, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo. Gas on full tank, fuel pumps on undercarriage. Coming down, mixtures, how I like it. Props full forward. Seat belts are on. Right, undercarriage is down. Wow, that may have been the greasiest landing of my entire life.
26 Delta Romeo, you can make the left turn at Juliet, then taxi Charlie 4 into the Good Cheer ramp.
All right, left on Juliet, Charlie 4 to Good Cheer ramp, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo.
6 Delta Romeo, Good Cheer ramp, frequency 126.975.
26975, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo.
Truck 3, thank you. 2 Truck 3, South Air.
It's slow this morning, which is nice.
Yeah.
Seems like every time I come here, I can't even get in on the tower frequency to land.
Yeah, that's all it's
Hi, how are you?
Good.
You checking in?
Yes.
Awesome. Where are you going today?
Robin Hood would be good if you got that still.
Oh, see, he went to Chile too.
Yeah, there's supposedly some really good chili. So about 2 people ahead of you, if you ask them, they're very eager to get this chili.
All right.
Robin Hood, so.
Yep, all good?
Thanks, Chris. Have a great
All
flight.
right, cool. Thank you.
Here, make sure you grab it.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Thanks. Hello.
There, VFR, IFR.
I'd like to do IFR if I could. I forgot my phone in my plane. Can you guys
That's okay.
file
We
for
will
us?
file for you.
Excellent.
Okay, call sign.
November 16 Delta Romeo.
Type.
Mooney, M20E.
Okay, true airspeed.
Let's do 147.
Wow. Altitude, we're going Robin Hood. It's super clear.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, let's do 6,000.
Okay. RQB, we're going over Jaxie. So I'll write it down for you. Just a minute. Okay, so you're going to number 4. You parked out front?
Yep.
Come, make a hard right in front of the GRE, and you're back here. Ramp freak is right here, 126.975. Monitor them, they'll probably talk to you, come out here. After, you probably get your clearance in here sometime. It's gonna take a few minutes to get there. When you're done loading, get away from the truck, run up, and then after you're done with the run up, monitor ground on 121.9.
Okay. Okay, perfect. Sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, coffee, donuts. Did you get a stamp? You got a stamp.
Yep. All right, cool. Thank you very much.
Okay, thanks.
All right, well, we've got ourselves fully loaded with presents. See back in the whole back seat. Set to the top, let's get in the air. Am I ready to? Clear!
Mooney 6 Delta Romeo, you're clear to Romeo, Quebec, Bravo Airport. The radar vectors as filed. On departure, maintain 3,000, expect 6,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 132.35, squawk 5760.
Clear to RBQ, the radar vectors as filed, 3,000, expect 6,000. Departure 132.35 and squawk 5760, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo.
Mooney 6 Delta Romeo, read back correct. Mooney 6 Delta Romeo, turn right heading 300, runway 27 left, clear for takeoff.
Right turn 300, clear for takeoff, 27 left, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo. Clear right, clear left.
Tower 17177, Pontiac Tower, you up? Affirmative, 177. Tower 177, runway 27 left, line up in wait, be ready to go there. Actually, I'll tell you what, hold short 27 left, hold short 27 left for 177. Hold short 27 left, 177. Tower 521, runway heading, contact departure, we'll see you. Order departure, 521, see you.
Transmit's good, airspeed's alive.
Mike, 9 miles to the east.
I'm up at 64 and rotate.
985 Mike, Pontiac Tower, make a 5 miles straight in, runway 27 left.
Gear up.
27 left, 5 miles straight in, 985 Mike. Tower 0 Echo Sierra, number 1, runway 27 left, clear to land. Hey, clear to land, 27 left, 0 Echo Sierra. Tower 177, disregard. Tower 6, correction, 521, contact departure. Tower 6 Delta Romeo in that 300, heading, contact departure, see you.
Our departure, see you, get to 6 Delta Romeo.
Sky Bronco 19, roger.
Detroit departure, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo. 1.8 for 3000, heading 300. Man.
16 Delta Romeo, Detroit departure, ident. 16 Delta Romeo, you radar contact, climb and maintain 4000.
I maintain 4000, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo.
Number 16 Delta Romeo, contact Great Lakes approach 118.8.
18.8, good day, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo. Great Lakes approach, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo, 6000.
Mooney 16 Delta Romeo, Great Lakes approach, Flint altimeter 3010.
3010, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo. Wow, is one hell of a headwind up here. I mean, it was in the forecast, but damn, I mean, we're making 101 knots over the ground. Our true airspeed should be right around 150 some knots. Let me see.
Great Lakes approach, Aztec 6716 Yankees, off at Pontiac, climbing out of 2300, direct price.
31 degrees outside. Task. Calibrated airspeed.
Great Lakes approach, say again.
Indicating 143 knots.
6716 Yankee, off at
Pressure
Pontiac, climbing out of 2300 on route to Traverse City via prices.
31 degrees out. Yeah, we're making 155 knots. True.
Approach, ident.
101 knots indicated, or sorry, over the ground. That means we have a 54 knot headwind. This sucks. Alright, well, I think it's going to be boring.
Number 68 Kilo Lima, Great Lakes approach, Flint altimeter 3009er.
Shut this down.
98 Kilo Lima.
Alright, we are about 30 miles outside of our destination of Big Rapids. Still making 97 over the ground. This kind of sucks. The good news is we're probably going to be close to 200 knots on the way back.
Bonanza 8589 Mike, Great Lakes approach, Grand Rapids altimeter 3016.
The first year I ever did Operation Good Cheer, that would have been back in 2003 or 2004, back when I owned the Apache. And this Big Rapids Robin Hood Airport was the first place I ever went to, and I've been to a handful of other ones. You know, I've been doing Good Cheer ever since, and this place was the best destination I've ever been to, man. You roll up, they treat you like a king, man. They got a whole buffet spread inside the FBO, or inside the little terminal building when you get there. It's really nice. So I was kind of happy to see this one available today. So when I got there, you get to pick. Usually when you show up for Good Cheer, I think I showed the sequence as I walked in. They have 4 trucks or 4 destinations that they're serving at any given time, and they just load up all airplanes until that destination's gifts are all gone. And then they pull down as soon as a truck is empty, they pull that one down, they put a new one up for a different destination. So when I got there, Robin Hood was available. Since I liked that one so much the first time, I decided that's what I wanted to do this time. We'll give it a shot again, and then But we'll be starting our descent here pretty soon, and hopefully getting on the ground, unload these gifts. I got to get fuel while I'm there, and maybe grab a bowl of chili because that's kind of their big deal there, and then I'll head back to Willow Run. And Mooney 16 Delta Romeo, we have Robin Hood inside. I can cancel IFR at this point.
Mooney 16 Delta Romeo, roger. IFR cancellation received. Squawk VFR, change advisory frequency approved.
All right, good day, 6 Delta Romeo. I imagine it's going to start getting really bumpy here pretty soon. There we go. Alright, gas on full tank, fuel pumps on, undercarriage coming down.